Those who have been looking for a HomeKit capable way of controlling their ceiling fans need to look no further. Lutron has just released the first HomeKit fan controller, and we're going to go hands-on. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider, and this is the Lutron fan controller. It is an in-wall unit that'll replace your existing wall switch that you use to control your fan. Installation is fairly simple and should work with most fans that you already have. Remove your own wall switch, then install this one, and a few minutes later you'll be rocking and rolling. Not only do you have an in-wall component, but there is a separate Pico Remote that you can also use to control your fan not connected to the wall. So maybe in a bedroom, have one by the door on the wall and keep another one by your bed. Remotes aren't always going to be necessary though, because you can use Siri and HomeKit to control that fan with your voice, as well as setting up into schedules and trigger based on other sensors. It can also be controlled from the Caseta Wireless Lutron app, where you can see we have 4 different speeds as well as an off function for the fan. Most fans usually have 3, like a low, medium, and high if you're using the pool chain, but this gives you 4 options in there, so for a few people this will definitely be an upgrade, giving you more control over the speed and power of your fan. These aren't connected to HomeKit, but you can create your own scenes within the Lutron app. Of course, if you're going to use HomeKit, might as well create those scenes in the HomeKit app and tie them into any other HomeKit products that you have. The small Pico Remote is also pretty awesome. It's really handy to have this around on a table, end table, coffee table, bedside table, anything like that, to really control those lights or the fan how you choose. On the remote itself, there are 5 different buttons. The one on the top takes it all the way to max speed. The one on the bottom takes it all the way to off. The arrows in the middle allow you to slowly adjust it up and down between the 4 speeds available. The one in the center, that little one, that is actually your favorite. So whatever favorite you may have, you can program to that, press it, and jump directly there. The 4 lights on the side correspond to those 4 different speeds. Of course, this connects to the Smart Bridge Pro, which is what gives you internet remote access and allows you to tie it into HomeKit. Thanks to that HomeKit integration, you can use this with any other HomeKit accessories, be it lights, blinds, really anything else that you have in your home. Maybe your air conditioning unit, anything like that. The fan goes on, turn the AC off. All of that is possible thanks to HomeKit and this new integration. And because everything here within the Lutron setup is so tightly integrated, when you make a change on maybe the Pico Remote or within the app, those changes are reflected on the wall outlet. So if I change the speed in the app and through Siri, through the Pico Remote, you can immediately see the little lights on the side of the switch go up and down based on what I changed. Everything that we tested was extremely responsive and fast, which is what we really love to see in smart home products. Everything will be available in March for $80 for the large setup in the wall and $42 for that additional Pico Remote. So what do you guys think of the new HomeKit device? Is this something that you may pick up? Let us know down below in the comments.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.